Hey guys, it's Conroy here today from Brick Warfare, and today I have a really special video. So, this is of course made of Legos, Technic pieces, all Technic pieces, made with the Mindstorms NXT 2.0 set. And this is a Rubik's Cube solver. Now you can find instructions for this online anywhere, and the software can be a little complicated, but it's pretty easy to understand. So basically what this robot does, I just put a Rubik's Cube inside of it, and it solves it. And today I'm here to show you how it works. So I'm just going to put the Rubik's Cube in. Now be warned, when I put the Rubik's Cube in, it solves it really fast. So what it's doing right now is that it's scanning all of its sides. It's going to scan all the sides to the Rubik's Cube. All 6 faces of it. Okay, now it's taking all the faces and it's processing it, and it's making a virtual Rubik's Cube in its head. And now it's going to start solving it. Now it has an arm which moves the Rubik's Cube, and then a bottom rotator which moves the piece. Now this isn't exactly a very fast solver, but depending on the puzzle, it shouldn't take that long. Now there are lots of ways to solve a Rubik's Cube, and the robot has been given all the ways in its software. And it looks at all the ways and determines which way is the fastest, and it uses that way to solve it. Okay. Good so far. Now it may look like it's destroying the Rubik's Cube, but it really isn't. Now, this does work pretty efficiently, but sometimes it's not perfect. Like, the arm which it's moving the Rubik's Cube, sometimes it slips. And that sucks sometimes, but pretty cool. I think it's getting there. Okay, looking good so far. This is definitely one of the more complicated puzzles. There you go. All finished. Yep. All sides finished completely. So. Oh. Just gonna try solving it again. That was dumb. Anyway, so guys, tell me what you thought about this. Any suggestions? Maybe how you guys think, or maybe how I can solve from it slipping sometimes. I mean, I've tried adding weight to this arm here, but of course, adding more weight just makes it slip even more. So let me just tell you a little bit about the components we have here. So first off, we have the rotating circle thing, whatever you want. I mean, the rotating table, which actually moves the Rubik's Cube. Then here we have our actual color sensor, which detects all the faces. And then we have the arm, which moves the Rubik's Cube itself. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe below, comment, and tell me what you thought. I hope you guys like this video, and see you guys later.